Hello all, welcome to Paritranaya IAS Academy. So this is a question of prelims 2021. This question was considered as one among the toughest questions. So what does this question say? The question asks about the important sites and the rivers passing through them, or the rivers located nearby. So the first one is Ajanta caves lie in the gorge of Wagora river. Sanchi Stupa lies in the gorge of Chambal river. Pandulena cave shrines lie in the gorge of Narmada river. Amaravati Stupa lies in the gorge of Godavari river. So why this question is considered as toughest? Because in India, we have hundreds of important cultural sites. So memorizing those hundreds of cultural sites and associating each of these sites with the river passing through would be practically difficult. So if you look at the cost benefit ratio, then the cost benefit ratio would be very, very less. So that is why it is considered as a difficult question. But if we have a strategy, then definitely such difficult questions can also be made easy. So here at Paritranaya, we have one such technique. So rather than preparing for all the hundreds of different important cultural sites, we will be preparing for only 6 sites. So which are those sites? Those sites are Ajanta, Hampi, next Taj Mahal, river flowing close by, next Ahmedabad, next Rani Ki Wow. So only for these 5 sites we have made a notes of rivers flowing through them. So one is for Ajanta, next Hampi, Taj Mahal, Ahmedabad, Rani Ki Wow. So why we have only made the rivers passing through list for only these 5 cities? We cannot reveal it because UPSC will be watching to all the institutes. So suppose if we reveal it, then next year probably they will not frame question from these cities. Okay, but in the classroom we'll be discussing about why we have prepared only for these 5 cities. So if at all you are preparing, so you can prepare anything, but we'll urge you first you prepare for these 5 cities, then you go for the other cities if the time permits. So from our notes, when we scan through these Ajanta related notes, so somewhere here we have Wagora river, and here the Ajanta caves lie in the gorge of Wagora river. So we were able to mark what? Correct answer. So in the upcoming year, when you are preparing, so you can prepare for any number of cities, but before going for extra cities, we will urge you to at least prepare for the 5 important sites which we had listed. So such kind of smart techniques will help us to reduce the effort. It can help us to balance our preparation with respect to all the subjects, and finally it will help us to crack the examination. So for similar kind of techniques which we will be discussing in our forthcoming videos, so subscribe to our channel and hit on the bell.